Hey everyone, welcome back. This is task number 8, using Microsoft Office in phishing. Often during phishing campaigns, a Microsoft Office document, typically Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, will be included as an attachment. Office documents can contain macros, and macros do have a legitimate use, but can also be used to run computer commands that will cause malware to be installed onto the victim's computer or connect back to an attacker's network and allow the attacker to take control of the victim's computer. I actually had just mentioned this a couple of videos ago, I think in Dropper, so it's kind of funny to mention this now, but just back to this. Take, for example, the following scenario. A staff member working for Acme IT support receives an email from Human Resources with an Excel spreadsheet called staff_salaries at xlsx, intended to go to the boss, but somehow ended up in the staff member's inbox instead. What really happened was that an attacker spoofed the Human Resources email address and created a psychologically tempting email perfectly aimed to tempt the staff member into opening the attachment. Once the staff member opened the attachment and enabled the macros, their computer was compromised. So, on to the questions. What can Microsoft Office documents contain, which when executed can run commands? And that answer is macros. And that is correct. So, again, I had mentioned this before, again, in Task 6 droppers. But, you know, you get a lot of these files sometimes, and they'll oftentimes from people that you know, people you don't know. And that's what you really have to educate users on, is the dangers of just opening random attachments and how you have to handle those attachments. And, you know, in some cases, you actually have to block, as the admin of a company, you actually have to block certain attachments from being sent from outside users. But again, that's a whole other topic for another video. But this was task number 8, using Microsoft Office in phishing, and I will see you all in task number 9, using browser exploits. Thank you.